Alright, so we've walked a little further into the wine and food festival. Food and wine festival. And we're getting extremely close to Gwazi. Look at this. That is Gwazi. Iron Gwazi. Same thing. Everybody knows what Gwazi is. Look at this. Well, the gate is open. I wonder if I can peek around the gate. Oh, look at that.
Oh my God, come here.
That is Iron Gwazi. We are right up on Iron Gwazi. Those are the cranes. That's pretty cool. So it looks like this is the part of the track here. It looks like this right here is what they're trying to finish. We are extremely close to Iron Gwazi. Hold on. What's up there? Can you see more up there? Oh, yes you can. Look at that.
Oh my God, you can see more of it.
That's Iron Gwazi. You can see right back there, if you look through the track, you see the big drop. That's the part that's finished. This is the part they're working on. This is all their construction area. I can't go any further. There is a barricade. But that is pretty. And that's, I'm guessing this part right here and this part right here is what they're still working on. Everything else seems to be done. And maybe a little bit right there. When you look at the track, most of it is covered. It doesn't appear that there's much support right there. So we'll definitely have to come back. But that is pretty. That is the very end of it. You look over there, that's Shikra. That's Iron Gwazi. That is as close as I can get you to Iron Gwazi without getting in trouble. Due to this is a designated construction site, and anyone that trespasses on this property commits a felony. I'm not doing that. That is cool. That is the Iron Gwazi construction site. There's the office. There's part of the track, and they're working on it. Well, we'll have to come back when we get a better update, but for the Food and Wine Festival, we're going to come back and again another day, if we're able to, and give you a better update on the progress of the track.